Namaste children. Today we can discuss about exercise 9.1 14th question. Question I am reading. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at an height of 80 to 88.2 meter from the ground. The perpendicular distance from the balloon to the ground is given as 88.2. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any the instant is 60 degree. First, that is seeing balloon at an angle of elevation 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. So after some time, balloon is moving to the horizontal line. That here in the question, the diagram is given. First balloon position is here. Here they are seeing at an angle 60 degree. After some times, the balloon is moving from here to here. It is a horizontal line. So here to here moving. By the time the angle of elevation is 30 degree. But in question paper, diagram will not give. We want to draw diagram. Okay. So here height of the girl is given. So that we want to be considered. Height of the girl is 1.2 meter they given. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the intervals. So that means here to here the distance it is we want to find. For that I drawn the diagram. You see here the balloon, first balloon position is C. After some times the balloon position is P. From the girl is AB I have taken. Girl height is 1.2 meter they given. The angle of elevation first one is 60 degree they given. After sometimes the angle of elevation is 30 degree they given. Okay. Balloon perpendicular distance from balloon to the ground, that is PQ, is 88.2. See, PQ is equal to CF. Okay. Now the height of the girl is 1.2 meter. Same height only this EQ. EQ is 1 point. These two lines are parallel. This is ground. We are drawn the horizontal line. The eyes to the eyes the horizontal level be drawn. So these two lines are parallel. Therefore this AB is equal to EQ. AB is equal to EQ is equal to 1.2 meter. If EQ 1.2 meter means PE we can find by 88.2. Total 88.2 minus 1.2. That is 87. So we want to find this distance CP we want to find. That distance only DE, that is DE we want to find. So using trigonometry ratio we are going to find, because one side and the angle is given. So that only we are using trigonometry ratios. So first in triangle this is I written the first position C, second position is P. The distance travelled by this interval is CP we want to find, that is DE. Okay. So first we can take this triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, angle CAD is equal to 60 degree, that is acute angle they given. Angle CDA is equal to 90 degree. Why this 90 degree mean? This perpendicular distance they given. So the horizontal level will be parallel to this one. This line this perpendicular, this also perpendicular, these are parallel. Okay. So this angle ADC is 90 degree. So according to the 60 degree, CD is opposite side, AD is adjacent side. So obviously we want to find tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite CD by AD. CD by AD, tan 60 value root 3. CD length is equal to PE, that is 87 by AD. So AD is equal to cross multiplication, AD is equal to 87 by root 3. We want to rationalize denominator, root 3 want to multiply numerator and denominator. So 87 root 3 by 3. 3 and 87 cancel, 29 root 3. That is AD is equal to 29 root 3 we got. But we want to find DE. So the next triangle we are taken, next right angle triangle we are taken, that is AEP. In right triangle AEP, angle AEP is 90 degree and this acute angle is this 30 degree. Angle PAE is 30 degree. According to this 30 degree, PE is opposite side and AE is adjacent side. So we can use tan. So tan 30 is PE by AE. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. PE measurement is 87 by AE. AE can be written as AD plus DE. AD plus DE. This cross multiplication AD plus D is equal to 87 root 3. But AD we found as 29 root 3. That 29 root 3 we can write. That take in right side. That is 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3 is 58 root 3. So we got D is 58 root 3. That is equal to PC. The distance travelled by the balloon during that interval is 58 root 3. Same like if in the question paper root 3 value is given. Root 3 value is 1.732. So root 3 value is given means you have to find the multiply 58 into 1.732 multiply and write the answer. So the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval is 58 root 3. The reader the diagram is given, but in exam time question only we want to draw diagram. So read the question the position you take it as 1 point. Here height of the girl is given, so that we are considering here. If the girl is viewing the balloon and height is not given, means you don't consider the height of the girl. Okay, we can take straightly 88.2. Thank you.